Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of accounting software options out there? You're not alone. Choosing the right one can feel like navigating a minefield. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a popular cloud-based accounting software. But before you even think about signing up, you need to know, what are the minimum requirements to use Xero effectively? Let's face it, running a business involves a lot of juggling. You're dealing with clients, managing inventory, chasing invoices, and somehow, amidst the chaos, you need to keep track of your finances. That's where accounting software like Xero comes in. It streamlines your bookkeeping, automates tasks, and provides valuable insights into your business's financial health. But before you can reap the benefits of Xero, you need to ensure you meet the minimum requirements. These requirements aren't just about having a powerful computer. They also involve factors like internet connectivity, browser compatibility, and even the number of users you need to support. In this video, we'll break down the essential Xero requirements, so you can confidently determine if it's the right fit for your business. Hardware requirements. Reliable computer. First things first, you'll need a reliable computer. While Xero is cloud-based, you still need a device to access it. This could be a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet. The minimum requirements for your computer will vary slightly depending on the operating system you're using. Windows. You'll generally need a Windows 7 or later operating system with a reasonably modern processor and sufficient RAM. Mac. macOS 10.12 Sierra or later is typically required. Chrome OS. Xero is compatible with Chromebooks, but ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sufficient storage space. While Xero primarily resides in the cloud, you might need some local storage space for things like downloading reports, uploading invoices, or storing backup files. Software requirements. Web browser. Xero is primarily accessed through a web browser. Popular choices include Google Chrome, generally considered the most compatible. Mozilla Firefox, a strong contender with excellent security features. Apple Safari, optimized for Apple devices. Microsoft Edge, becoming increasingly popular and feature-rich. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. Operating system updates. Keeping your operating system updated is crucial. Updates often include security patches and performance improvements, which are essential for a smooth Xero experience. Internet connectivity. Reliable internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is non-negotiable. Xero relies on cloud connectivity, so slow or intermittent internet will significantly impact your ability to use it effectively. Consider your internet speed. Aim for a download speed of at least 5 megabits per second for optimal performance. Check for reliable Wi-Fi coverage. If you work from different locations within your office or home, ensure you have reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout. User requirements. Xero user accounts. You'll need to create Xero user accounts for each person who needs to access the software. User roles. Xero offers different user roles with varying levels of access and permissions. This allows you to control who can see what and prevent unauthorized changes. Consider your team size. If you have a large team, you may need to invest in multiple user subscriptions. Other important considerations. Browser extensions. Some helpful browser extensions can enhance your Xero experience. These extensions can automate tasks, improve navigation, and provide additional features. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA for enhanced security. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, before you can log one in. Regular backups. Although Xero has its own backup mechanisms, it's always a good practice to maintain local backups of your data. Xero support. Familiarize yourself with Xero's support options. They offer various resources, including online help articles, video tutorials, and customer support. Addressing potential challenges. Slow internet speed. If you experience slow internet speeds, investigate potential solutions such as upgrading your internet plan, optimizing your network, or using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Browser compatibility issues. If you encounter issues with a specific browser, try using a different one or update your current browser to the latest version. Hardware limitations. If your computer is struggling to handle Xero, consider upgrading your hardware with more RAM or a faster processor. Tips for optimizing your Xero experience. Regularly update your software and browser. Keep your operating system updated. Use a strong and unique password for your Xero account. Enable two-factor authentication. Take advantage of Xero's online help resources. Consider using browser extensions to enhance your workflow. Regularly review and reconcile your accounts. By carefully considering these minimum requirements, you can ensure a smooth and efficient Xero experience for your business. Remember that these are just the basic requirements. As your business grows and your needs evolve, you may need to invest in additional hardware, software, or user subscriptions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.